Good day, YouTubers, and welcome to FunElectronicsToday. A lot of people asked me about my PCBs, how I started, and what do I do if I need to have a PCB for my design. My first PCBs were manually drawn, and I used to etch them myself using ferric chloride, hydrochloric acid, or nitric acid. To draw my PCBs, I was usually using a homemade ink from bitumen diluted into some paint solvent. Then I was taking a pen which I was dipping into this homemade ink, and I was drawing the traces manually. Most of the times during my pioneering days, I was just soldering the components in mid-air, creating like a wire mesh. I was testing the prototype this way, and then I was drawing the PCB by hand. Then I moved on to these pre-synthesized PCBs and to the photo etching method. And I was really obtaining some good quality PCBs, but they were kind of expensive and the rate of success was never 100%. Once in a while I was making some mistakes. I was damaging the entire etching process, and then I had to start all over again. This process was really time consuming. I was using some PCB software designing tools, but the trouble was trying to make double-sided PCB. Of course, trying to make double-sided PCB was adding another layer of complexity to my design. So I had to keep it single-sided and to add jumper wires to the other side. Then I discovered these websites where you could order PCBs online. For instance, jlcpcb.com. If you have any other technical questions related to my work, don't forget to add that into the comments section, and of course subscribe to this channel to support my work and for other technical videos like this one.